Happy morning to one and all. I am R.D.GOKULNATH, Group Leader from St. Michael's Matric Higher Secondary School, Valappady.
I am Vimal Selvan, 12th standard from St. Michael's Matric Higher Secondary School, Valappady.
Our main theme is about social innovations for sustainable living.
And our sub-theme is public issues. In this topic, we are going to see about Opponentification in Kaliamman Nagar, Valappady.
I am living in Kaliamman Nagar area in Valappady, which is nearby Papan Lake and railway tracks. Every day I see some people are defecating outside. This arouses my curiosity, and this is the reason why we select this topic.
Valappady is the town panchayat in Salem district, which has the population of about 17,559 and the literacy rate of 82.30% according to the census of 2011. Kaliamman Nagar is also the growing residential area, which has about 150 families and houses.
Next, let us discuss about Opponentification. Opponentification, it is the human practice of defecating outside rather into a toilet. People may defecate outside in drained lakes and railway tracks.
The main reason for Opponentification is there is no available of toilet in the houses, and due to the traditional cultural practices, Opponentification can pollute our environment and cause many health hazards like diarrheal diseases and intestinal worm infections, etc. Most probably to the children under the age of 5.
Next, let us discuss some reasons for Opponentification. It is voluntary or semi-voluntary or involuntary choices. It is split into 3 segments. First of all, no toilets.
No toilet. This no toilet, lack of infrastructure is one of the reasons, which means there is no available of toilet in our houses is the reason, and the lack of toilet in other places, which means there is no toilet available in the place where we are living from, and use of toilet for other purpose. How means we are storing our household products, farm products, etc. And the next reason is uncomfortable or unsafe toilets.
In these uncomfortable or unsafe toilets, poor quality of toilet, which means the toilet must be broken. Next, risky and unsafe of toilets, which means it's risky to enter into the toilet. Next, presence of toilet but not privacy, which means the toilet is present but there is no door. Next, lack of water near the toilet, it is one of the reason, and too many people using the same toilet instead of waiting, and no hygiene facilities, and fear of pit getting filled. So many people are living in the same houses, there is a fear of pit getting filled.
The next reason is unrelated to toilet infrastructure, which means lack of awareness. It is one of the common reasons because people does not know about the benefits of using toilet, and lack of behavior change. The behavior change also make the people to defecate in the open and prefer being in nature is also the reason. Combining open defecation with other activities by the people is also one of the reason, and social norms, which means in some cultures the father-in-law does not use the same toilet used by daughter-in-law in the same household, and some personal preferences also the reasons. Next, we are going to discuss about government schemes.
Government allotted many schemes to abolish Opponentification practices. We focus on main 3 schemes such that Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan, the Swachh Bharat Mission, and UNICEF schemes. First of all, Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan. This program was launched to abolish Opponentification by the program called Total Sanitation Companion. In this scheme, the key intervention areas are called individual household latrines, school sanitation and hygiene education, community sanitary complex, and Anganwadi toilets.
This scheme was introduced in the year of 1999 in Tamilnadu, in Kadalur and Coimbatore district. Later, it was expanded in all districts in 2004. This under the individual household latrine scheme, they are targeted to build 86,67,088 toilets in Tamil Nadu, and 71,12,683 toilets have been constructed so far. The next scheme we are going to discuss is Swachh Bharat Mission. It is promoted by our Prime Minister Modi as the Clean India Mission.
This mission was split into 2 types as rural and urban. In this mission, the volunteers are known as ambassador of cleanliness.
In this, they have planned to construct nearly 110 million of toilets between 2014 to 2019.
Next, let us discuss about UNICEF schemes. UNICEF schemes submitted report as a single gram of feces contains millions of viruses and bacteria. It causes many diseases to humans.
Since 2014, the Government of India in partnership with UNICEF had made to abolish open defecation free targets. Next, our study in Valappady town panchayat area, especially in Kaliamman Nagar, tells that the Valappady town panchayat has constructed 16 toilets for public usage, which includes 13 community toilets, 2 public toilets, and 1 toilet for special needs.
Under the individual household latrine mission, the 63 toilets has been constructed with the stipend allotted by 8,000 rupees on this area.
And our Valappady Town Panchayat officials has appointed 3 social workers to promote the usage of toilet and to abolish open defecation.
By those steps taken by our Valappady Town Panchayat officials, still some people are defecating outside.
In our study area, the number of total houses is 150 and the number of houses with toilets is 135. Number of houses using community toilets are 12 and others are 3.
These are the survey photos which we went to railway track and meeting with Mr. K. Manigandan, sanitary inspector, and nearby Popan Lake.
And our future plan is to study that the disease caused by open defecation and to cover the total Valappady area and to make open defecation free.
And finally, we concluded with our acknowledgement. Our sincere thanks to Reverend Sister Rani, the principal of St. Michael's Matric High Secondary School, and our sincere thanks to Mr. K. Manigandan, the sanitary inspector of Valappady Town Panchayat.
And our heartfelt thanks goes to Mr. M. Basant, our computer staff, and Mr. D. Harigaran, the guide staff, for his continuous guidance. Thank you.
Thank you.